For problem numbers 15 through 18, we're going to see here that we've got them all in standard form, and therefore I'm going to assume that these don't factor. In fact, I already know they don't factor. So we're going to list the A, the B, and the C, and we're going to use the quadratic formula to figure out what the solutions are for each of these equations. So x equals negative b. Since I don't have a lot of room here, I'm not going to write out negative b, but I'm going to say it as I go. Negative b. So negative b, b being negative 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So when we simplify the numerator, we get 2 plus or minus, so minus minus is a plus, 2 plus or minus the square root of. Negative 2 squared is 4. 11 squared is 121. 121 times 4 is 484. So we have 484 all over 22. That means we have 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 480 all over 22. And then 480 is 16 times 30. So if we take out a negative 16, so we have negative 16 times radical 30, and square root of negative 16 is 4i. So 4i radical 30 all over 22. And if we write this using two fractions, we have 2 over 22 plus or minus 4i radical 30 over 22. And the 2 can cancel here. 2 goes into 2 once and into 22 twice. 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 22 11 times. So we have 1 over 11 plus or minus 2 radical 30 over 11 times I. That's the way I would prefer you to write that answer. A plus BI.